are the cats? Where are the cats?
Look at that lion. That's literally you.
Helmets off. Hats on. Beautiful. You're getting in that.
I'm getting in that.
Post-ocean beatdown. We said it at the same time. Post-ocean beatdown.
Breakdown. Break it down.
Break it down. Post-ocean beatdown. Snack time with our whales. We got our whales. We got our pretzels. At the little park. Wow. It's cute. It's cute. Little people watching moment. Little work. Hell yeah. So it's a little windy. Just a little. Oh my god. Here we go. It just got super cold. Got over to the bikes. Woo! I'm gonna go bike back to the car. Bundle up a little. Oh my god. And try not to freeze down at the beach, down at the Bayou Beach. oh, here we go. Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers! He's hungry too.
Oh my god. Damn. Whoa. Got the goods. Got the goods. Found a little spot. We had to look around a little bit, figure out where had the least amount of wind blowing because it is crazy outside right now. And we have this little corner and we have a little, yeah. We also have a little trash can blockade there for the wind. And we're gonna get cooking. Yeah. We got a little station right here going strong. We got Cook Nation over here, not even started. Okay, I'm a little scared. Okay, that did nothing. Okay, now we're cooking with gas. Literally.
Are we putting anything on that?
All right, here we go. We got a little onion.
Here we go!
We got a little onion station. And then, mini table number 1. Mini table number 2.
That's right.
Behind here, we have a little broccoli and carrot mix with some, it's not bland, come on now, with some paprika, onion, salt, and garlic. Can't see any of those? Cool. And then in this one, we have our chickpeas, the woman of the hour. That's gonna be the main thing for our little taco type bowls. Still deciding on what vessel it's all going to be in, but so far so good. The place is still standing, haven't burned it down yet. Yeah!
I forgot.
Standing.
You get copyrighted.
Oh, still up on 2 feet. Cut the damn onions faster.
I thought you did. Get in there. Come on. Right.
Hell yeah. Seasoning. Up
Wow.
there.
When you're standing next to it, it just looks like a normal table for you.
Just seasoned up the chickpea mash. Got this going. Just turned off the heat there. Gonna grab some onions. Whoa! Got that. Got that gorilla grip. Oh shit, fallen soldier. It's all good. Like a kindly.
First meal.
First meal.
Look at it.
Ooh.
Sorry.
Oh.
Look at that. Look at it.
Yeah. All right, what do we rate it?
Honestly, I could be like a solid 9. Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh. How's that? Yeah. Dish is done. Yeah. Thank God they have these sinks set up for us here. And now go back to the car, set up for the night. Planet Fitness is closed because apparently they close at 9 p.m. all over Tybee. So instead, we're going to try finding just a public one. Ooh, it's windy! It's windy outside! Damn! And then go in for the night. Success, overall success! Woo! A little tip. So we don't have ice for our little cooler yet, so we got little shallots and we just used one for tonight, and then it'll last us 3 more days. That way we don't have to have a cut up onion in the car smelling us, stinking us out or anything. And then we have a big little value pack of tortillas that can always go with anything, and definitely recommend getting tacos instead of burritos, because then you can load that bitch up. Right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Now that we know after cooking what we did, what we used, it's always good to reorganize, see how we can make it better, more conducive to good cooking. It may not look like much, but it's honest work, and it works for us. So all the cooking stuff there for the stove. We have plates and everything, silverware underneath or plasticware, if we're being real, underneath all of the pots and pans. Propane in there that's protected by the little cutting board. Good to go.
Yeah.
Good to go. Hell yeah. Wait, look at my bite mark. Oh my god. A shock. A shock.